Hey everyone, Josh here with another quick tutorial. This right here is how you set up your picture to your profile, your gravatar. And this is how you find who your sponsor is as well. So the first thing to find out who your sponsor is, we're going to go over to Builder Business on the left. And we're going to go down to Dashboard. And you're going to be able to see who your sponsor is right on the right. Okay, so that'll show you exactly who they are. You can drop a message to that person and everything. So it will show me there. I'm going to show you guys how to set that up so you can see that. The first thing you need to do is go over to Profile. You need to go to Account Info. And you need to click on Edit Profile Picture. Now this is going to take you over to the Gravatar, so you need to go ahead and sign in. If you have a WordPress account, you can set this up for free. I want to go ahead and use this one right here. I'm going to go ahead and log in. And that's going to have my picture there already. All right, so that right there, within, I believe it's like 10 minutes, should already have you set. So let's go back to login on the Builderall. And then that's going to set up here. So just give it some time. It takes about 10 minutes and it'll go ahead and set up. I will see you guys in the next video.